tourist was swept away when he deliberately disregarded warning signs at Luke Bao Lake. Fortunately, he managed to grab onto a rock before plunging down the waterfall. Upon receiving the alert, the rescue team promptly mobilized a helicopter to the scene. With their superior rescue skills, he was safely transported to a secure location. And the helicopter pilot also carried the elderly woman from the snowy mountain foot and provided her with a free helicopter ride to the hospital so that she could get there as quickly as possible. Seeing the hot air balloon losing altitude and about to crash into the sea, the skilled boat captain swiftly maneuvered towards them and allowed them to land safely on the bow of the boat. The rescue mission was a complete success as all the passengers and the hot air balloon were safely rescued. The father always appeared as a superhero with superpowers in the eyes of the children. Dogs are loyal companions, always ready to protect their owners at any cost. And today, this unlucky burglar encountered the counter of his life. This leopard was so thirsty that it stuck its head into a metal pot in search of water, getting itself trapped in the process. Local authorities used tranquilizers to help it return to the forest. And this wolf is hanging on the edge of life and death after being confined for several days in an environment lacking food and water. This compassionate girl administered artificial respiration just in time to save it. God bless you, compassionate girl. This dog ran after a police car for a long distance because its owner was being arrested. When the police couldn't shake it off, they finally relented and let it reunite with its owner. Humanity always lends a helping hand to one another, even in the most difficult circumstances. It was truly an honor for the girl to be personally escorted through the flooded area by the bulldozer.
Sure. Yeah, jump in.
This family graciously provided transportation for the bride to her wedding when she couldn't catch a ride. It was truly an honor, and the bride will have some new friends at her wedding.
Have a fantastic wedding.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
God bless you.
God bless you.
This is perhaps the most spectacular proposal I've ever seen. And of course, the girl will be the happiest to have such a doting husband. "30 years ago, instead of buying this car, the father saved money to send his son to college. And today, he absolutely deserves this achievement." This hockey player made a young fan's dream come true by granting her wish to have him as her Valentine, presenting her with a puck as a heartfelt gesture. JJ's appeal transcends generations, evident as a 99-year-old devoted fan defies age to attend the game, showcasing unwavering support for her beloved idol. Footballer Neymar stopped the match to inquire about the opposing player's health when he saw them lying on the field. Besides his magical feat, he also has a warm heart. And this athlete seemed to collapse just before the finish line. But let's watch. Helping others achieve victory is the greatest victory of all. Due to achieving the same result, the organizers asked the opinion of the two athletes if they could both receive the gold medal, and here is their decision. This was a match between two girls on Christmas Day. Instead of exchanging threats or actions of intimidation before the match, they gave each other a hug.
And perhaps after this incident, the dog won't dare to go to the stream alone anymore.
This visually impaired female athlete has achieved a Guinness World Record with her companion. When love is strong enough, there is no obstacle that cannot be overcome. With his love, the father taught his son how Messi scores goals. LeBron James thanked his fan with a mini-game. Look how happy this fan is.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
The sanitation workers came together to celebrate the 100th birthday of the only centenarian in town. And the students gifted their teacher a pair of shoes on his birthday. Actions speak louder than words, showing how much they appreciate their beloved teacher. This is a group of volunteers. They spent 2 months cleaning up 150 tons of waste from the Bali River. There are people who just make this world a better place.
Pedaço vai para uma pessoa muito legal. Mamãe. Antônio! Ah! Que foi, amor?
In Brazil, the first slice of the birthday cake is traditionally given to the person whom the celebrant loves the most. A sibling bond is sweeter than any type of cake.
Ai, ele te ama, amiguito.
Every day, this boy comes to the store to do his homework because he doesn't have a computer. The store manager knew about this and gifted the boy a tablet to help him study better. This guy drove over 20 kilometers to return a wallet to its owner. It's heartwarming to see. There are still many good people in this world.
Anthony? Is there Anthony the lizard? Yeah. Why? He left his wallet. Oh, man. That is awesome.
A turtle proactively approached a diver to seek help with removing barnacles from its shell. It didn't hastily swim away, but expressed gratitude towards the person who assisted it. While out for a walk, the girl heard a dog barking from inside a storm drain. She then called her husband to initiate a rescue operation. Surely the dog has been adopted by a loving family now. The man in Florida constructed a miniature train specifically for his dogs, allowing him to take them on rides around the town. This adorable girl waits at the school gate every day to guide her blind friend to class. Hats off to her kindness and compassion. The eldest brother of the year made sure none of his siblings got their feet wet. Respect. This noble woman generously paid for a family with 2 small children when she noticed they didn't have enough money to cover their purchase and were returning items.
Very real, isn't he?
Oh my
Happy holidays.
The older brother informed his younger sister that he couldn't attend her wedding to surprise her. This is the first reunion of a father and his biological son, showing just how tender-hearted a man can be.
You have a dad.
The students lined up to bid farewell to their teacher before his transfer to another school. This kind-hearted girl prepared bags full of candies and toys to give to the children in the war refugee camp.
No proszę, a ty jesteś chłopczykiem, to który? Ten duży? Ja tu bardzo!
Thank you for bringing rare joy to these children. This girl surprised the guy with an unexpected gift, a piece of paper announcing that he's going to be a father. A Christmas gift for Mom is more meaningful than any other gift. A cat, which she has always dreamed
Darling! Oh my!
Thanks to social media, the parrot and its owner were reunited. It turned out the bird was enjoying the care of someone else.
I wasn't feeling bad. I love you a lot, dude. You kept me on the right track.
This visually impaired homeless man desperately requires glasses, which are priced at $50. However, with only $11 in his wallet, he falls short. Yet, observe his immense joy when the person behind the counter unexpectedly hands him $500.
I am tomorrow. I'm gonna get my glasses. I'm gonna be a fucking, oh my god. Oh my god.
Sure. You'd be the first one to open that.
Santa Claus is always the one who brings us happiness.
Who is it from?
The husband is helping his wife shave her head due to hair loss from chemotherapy. He's doing this to support her through the journey.
God, you kind of rock Hello Kitty though.
And here is the moment when the mother realizes that her 2 daughters are suggesting her to legally adopt the 2 girls. There are things that seem simple to us, but are dreams for others.
Did it get you wet?
Yeah.
Oh, you got.
The mother was watching a basketball game when she heard a familiar voice.
Let's go, Theo!
In today's world, small yet meaningful acts of kindness become more important than ever. This video will explore the power of acts of kindness and the value they bring to both the giver and the receiver. Let's discover and spread these small but meaningful acts to change the world around us.
Để mình có động lực phấn đấu mỗi ngày. Rồi phần tiếp theo là phần những lời hứa từ tâm thì tôi là Lê Hồng Phong, tôi trung thực đến tận cùng không giả dối.